All right, it's time to get busy with the car. We got 3 boxes here. This right here is brought to you by Extreme Online Store. I actually reached out to them. I did a lot of research and they offered the kit that I really like the most, man. So let's go ahead and get busy and unbox all this stuff right here. First I'm gonna do this one. The next video, I'll do this one and that one, but I'm sure you guys can probably imagine where I'm going with this. Now this one here, as you guys can tell, my lip is all jacked up from that damage from the transportation tape. So, let's get this baby looking all beautiful again. You don't want to be on video? Get out. Jeez.
I'm paying you to fix my Corvette.
I'm not paying for anybody else in the video. Out.
I'm paying you to fix my Corvette.
Well, pay me. Get out of my shot.
Well, watch your kid, he's eating dog food.
Oh shit. All right. Here's my blade. Time for the big reveal. Oh, I think it's upside down. What? I missed the tape. The hell? A very, very nice packaging from Extreme Online Store. Off to a very good start. So let's, man, it's crazy how light this is. Oh, no, just kidding. That would have sucked on the last one. I actually cut myself. Dude, you're not gonna wrap them around with the extension cord. Shit. Let's take a look at the underside. Damn, that's nice. That's really, really nice. Oh, let's go look at it in the sun. Got some hardware here, double-sided tape and your screws. A little cleaning pad. C6ZR1 style front splitter, installation manual. I'm not a rookie here. I know exactly what to do, but if you guys are new to something like this, you get your full instructions, which is very nice, very specific to the car. Great job, EOS. Great job on this. Holy shit. Alright, drive up on those and then I'll drive on the 2x4s and it should be good.
Start jacking up a little bit. Do something to your side. Just enough to be able to get a screwdriver or a drill there, but I want you guys to see everything, so I'm gonna get it a little bit higher than necessary.
This car has gone through a few lips, I can tell. So Corvettes with without a front lip, that's a big no-no. You should be ashamed. Every Corvette needs a lip, even if it's a plastic one. God, that looks weird. All right, so let's do a little side-by-side comparison here with the carbon fiber lip and your typical ABS plastic. Quality-wise, just holding it, you guys can tell from where I'm holding it with my hand, very, very flimsy. Look at the carbon, it doesn't even flex. This one's super, super floppy. This one's very, very stiff. The quality of the material is much, much thicker. This feels really, really sturdy. This feels like if I just hit a little rock or something, it's gonna crack. I mean, obviously you get what you pay for, right? These are like around 100 to 150. This is a few $100s more, but definitely get what you pay for. This is really, really nice material. So let's go ahead and get this installed. See, because they send you literally everything that you need. They send you the double-sided tape. They send you the cleaning pad and all of your screws. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up. Make sure you have a very clean surface for the double-sided tape to stick onto. I know you have your screws, but you want everything to be as perfect as you can get it. All right, and that's as much as I'm gonna do. They send you a ton, so you have a lot left over for other projects, other carbon fiber stuff that you're gonna install on your car. Okay, that's good. Turn this up a little bit. Okay, I should tighten this one up now. Let's check the fitment. Perfect. Please go through, don't give me no problems. There we go. Everything's looking good. All right, perfect. I just gotta fix this one and this one because the little metal clips are folding in instead of grabbing onto the actual screw. The holes that they have are absolutely perfect. The fitment's on point. Damn, that looks sharp. Ooh, man. All right, so easy fix here for those two holes where the little metal clip was not accepting these bolts. As you guys can tell, the threads were getting all rounded up. I grabbed a couple of self tappers to kind of make the hole a little bit bigger. I grabbed that with one of the washers that came off the car and drilled through it and tightened it down. Honestly, I think those probably grabbed a lot harder than the other screws, but there it is. The fitment on the holes that they set up for you, it can't get any better than that. I mean, just look at it. The body line is absolutely perfect. Extreme Online Store, y'all do a hell of a job. Damn, that looks so good. I was about to jack the car down, but we still have more carbon fiber from EOS right over there. And for this, I'm gonna have to jack up the entire car. So y'all can probably imagine where I'm going with this, but there's gonna be a lot more carbon fiber around this car. So y'all stay tuned for the next video. So far, we're off to a very, very, very good start with EOS. Absolute perfect fitment, quality, big thumbs up. Beautiful, man. Y'all do a hell of a job. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. I'll get it out to you guys back to back, so you won't have to wait too long before you see the final appearance of it, which is gonna be absolute mint.